Hi guys! I'm going to show you the best way for local guides to make money. It's so easy you can do it right now on your phone like I'm doing right now. First, you have to go to a website called photospheres.com. Just type it in or click the link in the description of this video. Then click Try Now so you end up here on the application. So this is how it works. Open the copyright tracker. This is where you will submit your local guide profile link and the AI will scan all your photos and tell you if someone is using your images without permission. In other words, it looks for copyright infringement of your local guide photos. You have the legal right to demand compensation from anyone who steals your photos and puts them on their own websites. Now let's grab our profile link. Use the share option and copy your link. Paste your link here. Confirm your profile is set to public and let the AI do its thing. You will be notified if the AI finds a strong case of copyright infringement. If you do receive a copyright notification, your next step is to visit the copyright enforcer. This AI helps you take action against the person who stole your photo. It gives you instructions to help you pressure them to reach a financial settlement. Or a non-financial settlement if you just want the photo taken down. Even if the AI doesn't find anyone using your images, it continues to monitor the internet, so it's worth it to protect your copyright at all times. You never know what the future holds. There could be a huge copyright case involving a large company, which means a bigger payout. Photospheres is ready to help you get that payout.